yimi but uComrade Castro ula uzoyivala nemacabana uzoyivala the 2 minutes angayidonsi. Comrades, ne-announcement macabana. Comrades, we are blessed. Umsebenzi owenziwa ama-MPs nama-MPLs muhle ekululeni. Bangakafiki ebranchini lakho macabana bekumoya phansi. Yes, into mayenzeke enhle kwelinye ibranch ijabulele umkhonto wesizwe, support it. Ofuna ukuyifaka i-protocol yabo, ibalulekile i-protocol, but governance program macabana maziyehla zifuna i-alignment from i-structures zomkhonto wesizwe, zifuna ne-support. Ungazipoliticize ngoba zizosiza umuntu omnyama nomphakathi lokumele uvote. So comrades, nge-28 zika-April kuruleni kuzolungisa mbuzeni nizobona i-motorcade manje ene-purpose manje eshisayo. Nge-28 macabana nizomnika umlando omncane. Wathi abo-comrade uShongwe mababhizi bahamba labayenza ama-back to school programs ba-identifya izindlu ezishile ezinye ezingekho right, babona ukuthi umuntu omnyama akakwazi ukuhlala endaweni enje. In order to lead, you must serve, and you cannot lead them if you don't love them. So kunezindlu ezakhiwe uComrade Shongwe and the team. So nge-28 umkhulu eKatlehong e-Southern Sub-Region Ward 55 uyeza uzovula indlu.